Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. Glad you've made it today. We're going to be making flatbreads, 3 different flavors. We know you're going to enjoy this. Simple, easy, with ingredients that you've got in your cupboard. So let's get cooking. Today's ingredients are 400 grams of flour split between wholemeal flour and plain flour, 150 milliliters of plain vegan yogurt, 150 milliliters of warm water, and a pinch of salt. Sieve the flour, make a well in the middle, then add the water and the yogurt. Mix the ingredients together until it forms a nice dough. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and pliable. Leave the dough to rest for about 10 minutes. Then we divide the dough into 3 for our 3 different flavors. Roll out each section into a circle and then brush each one with a little bit of oil. Our first combination flavor is garlic and herb. Simply crush the garlic, about 4 or 5 cloves, and about a teaspoon of mixed herbs mixed together. The next flavor combination is tomato paste with smoked paprika. Our final one is a plain and simple flatbread. For each of the rounds, you're going to fold them in together, then you're going to knead it so all the flavors can get incorporated really well, and then we're going to roll those out, and then we're going to divide each one into 4 pieces. Roll each portion into a nice round shape. Using a frying pan or tawa, make sure it's warm first and then lightly brush it with oil. Cook each of the flatbreads for about 1 minute on each side, or until you see the puffiness beginning to rise. That means it's cooking through nicely. And here we have our 3 different flavor flatbreads. Very simple, very easy, things that you already have in your cupboard. So give this recipe a try and let me know what you think.